everyone. My name is Jane. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here today. What we're gonna do is redo that big canvas, 48 by 48 inches. We're gonna put like a pouring. We're gonna do with the blow dry, and I'm gonna make this canvas look happy. First of all, I'm gonna cover all this paint with gesso. Then I got a little bit of water and see if it's covered that base. All right, let's dry a little bit, and then we're gonna see if you need the second coat or it's okay to just put the acrylic painting, a base coat, white. Maybe need it because I still can see a little bit of the old painting underneath, so maybe I'm gonna do the second coat of the gesso and a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna put the acrylic. All right, see you in the hour or hour and a half. The flowers that were on the old painting were raised, so I try out different types of sandpaper very carefully so as not to tear the canvas. That was my concern. Wow, guys, the combination of this color is just perfect. I don't have to do anything else. I'm not gonna touch anymore. I'm very happy with them. I hope my friend Nancy likes it too, because it's going to be a new house and I hope it makes her feel good energy every time she looks at it. If you guys like it, leave your like it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to touch the bell to see the next video. And thank you again for being with me so far. I hope you guys have a wonderful night and a wonderful week. Ciao, ciao.